Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a Firebase project and registering your app so authentication services can run. Once done, install the Firebase SDK or add the CDN and paste the provided config object into your code. Then initialize Firebase with initialize app config and import or require the auth module. Make sure to use the correct environment, development versus production, and secure your API key usage. After initialization, you'll be ready to call authentication methods in the next steps. Next, you enable providers in Firebase console. Turn on email/password and any OAuth providers you need. Once enabled, configure redirect URIs for web OAuth flows and add necessary app credentials like client ID. Then implement sign in with email and password or sign in with pop-up/sign in with redirect for OAuth in your code. Add an on-auth state changed listener so you can react when the user signs in or out. Make sure to handle promise rejections and display meaningful UI feedback while authentication completes. To finish, test every sign-in flow end-to-end. Email sign-up, password login, and each OAuth provider both locally and in production. Then enforce security by requiring authentication in your app routes and Firestore/real-time database rules. Handle tokens and refresh behavior in your client, and implement a clear sign-out routine. If something fails, check one key issue first. Validate API key and auth domain match the Firebase console, and inspect browser console or network errors for CORS or credential mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.